Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping efficiently. Gather the wax, applicators, strips, post-wax oil, antiseptic, and a timer so nothing is improvised. Clean the area thoroughly and trim hair to about 0.5 cm because wax adheres best to short hair. This reduces breakage and pain. Test wax temperature on your inner wrist to avoid burns. Once you see the right consistency and feel it warm but safe, place a towel, a mirror, and your trash nearby. You apply a thin, even layer of wax in the direction the hair grows because that captures roots without clogging the wax. Then press the cloth or film strip firmly onto the wax and smooth it 3 to 4 times to bond. Leave a small tab free so you can grip. Make sure to hold the skin taut with your other hand. This reduces pain and prevents tearing. When ready, remove the strip quickly and close to the skin against hair growth, rather than upward, to minimize trauma. You finish by pressing the area immediately to calm the nerve endings, then apply post-wax oil to remove residue and reduce inflammation. Follow with a gentle antiseptic if skin is intact. If redness or small bumps appear, use a cool compress and avoid heat or tight clothing for 24 hours. Only use a low-strength hydrocortisone for persistent irritation. If wax remains stuck, apply oil to dissolve rather than re-waxing the same spot, because repeated waxing causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.